Welcome to ByteVision YouTube channel Apple USB-C 20W power adapter unboxing. The Apple 20W USB-C power adapter is a key accessory for charging a wide range of Apple devices and other USB-C compatible devices. Here's a breakdown of its key features. It supports USB power delivery, USB PD, which allows it to charge devices like an iPhone 14 from 0% to 50% in about 30 minutes when paired with a suitable USB-C to Lightning or USB-C cable, sold separately. The adapter has a single USB-C port, sleek white design, and foldable prongs in some regions, like the US. For portability, it's also compatible with a wide range of devices beyond Apple's ecosystem, making it versatile for charging earbuds, tablets, or even some laptops that support USB-C charging at lower wattages. Fast charging, it's designed to provide fast charging for compatible devices, significantly reducing charging times compared to standard power adapters. This is especially noticeable with newer iPhone and iPad models. Compatibility, it works with a broad range of Apple devices, including iPhones, iPhone 8 and later, to take advantage of fast charging, iPads, various iPad Pro, iPad Air and iPad models, AirPods, Apple Watches and also any other USB-C chargeable device. Thank you for watching ByteVision YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.